Well, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Android phone on over to your Roku device. Now, I'm using a Samsung phone, and this is extremely easy. So on my phone, all I have to do is scroll on down from the top and then look for an option called Smart View. Now, you can have an option on your phone called like screen mirroring or something like that. If I just click on this, and I should be able to find my Roku Express on here and just click here. Now I have to hit the Start Now button down here on the bottom, but you want to be connected to the same Wi-Fi internet as your Roku. So you're going to want to scroll on down from the top and then go to Wi-Fi. So we'll bring it up here, and this is what my phone looks like. So I'm going to scroll on down from the top on my phone and then go to Wi-Fi right here. And just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. So these are all my different Wi-Fi connections. And my Roku device is connected to my Wi-Fi too. And I'm able to discover it easily on my phone. So let's see if it rotates or anything like that. If I flip it sideways, and it does. So if you're trying to show off a bunch of maybe photos or something like that with family members, this is a very easy way to just bring it up so everyone can see. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.